Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka Kitchen. Today's video is all about coconut chin-chin. Here I have the coconut powder. I'm also going to be leaving a link on how I did this coconut powder. This is all-purpose flour. I'm also making use of butter here. Here I have nutmeg and salt. I'm making use of 1 egg, sugar, milk. At the end of the day, we are going to be frying it with this oil. Stay tuned and see how I did it. The flour is already sealed, so I'm going to go ahead to add it. I'm going to be adding sugar. This is the coconut powder, which I will also add. The nutmeg and salt comes in. So I'm going to be mixing it thoroughly. After the thorough mixing, I'll be introducing the butter. The butter is on room temperature. I've already mixed the butter very well, so I'm introducing the egg. I'm going to be adding the milk bit by bit so that I don't add so many. And so the only way, all you have to do is, if you want this particular size, cut it horizontal and vertical. That is all, and you can fry the chin-chin. After I must have added enough oil, I'm going to be closing it to heat up the oil. Once I notice that the oil is hot, I'm going to be adding the chin-chin. So I'm going to be checking if it is ready. As you can see, it's not yet brown. I like my chin-chin brown, so I'm going to be putting it back. I'm going to also be checking if I've gotten the exact color I want. This chin-chin is now brown. The more colder it gets, the more brown it also gets. So I'm going to be removing it. Crispy because I have coconut flour in there and I use coconut oil too, so it is coconut chin-chin, and this shows you there's a little bit difference between this chin-chin and normal chin-chin. Then what I'm doing here is repetition. I'm also repeating the same process, just the frying process. Repeat it till you are done with all the dough. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.